Your entry door is one of the hardest working parts of your home. In Houston's hot, humid climate, entry doors face constant exposure to heat, moisture, storms, and daily wear. Over time, even high-quality doors can develop problems that affect comfort, security, and curb appeal. Understanding the most common entry door issues and knowing how to fix them can help Houston homeowners protect their homes and avoid costly repairs. Door swelling and sticking. Houston's humidity is notorious for causing wood and composite doors to swell. When moisture gets into the door or frame, you may notice the door sticking, dragging on the floor, or becoming difficult to open and close. How to fix it? Minor swelling can sometimes be solved by sanding tight areas and sealing the door with a moisture-resistant finish. If the problem keeps returning, weather stripping replacement or hinge adjustment may help. For doors that consistently warp, upgrading to a fiberglass or steel entry door designed for humid climates is often the most reliable long-term solution. Warped or misaligned doors. Rapid temperature changes, common in Houston summers, can cause entry doors to warp or shift out of alignment. A warped door may leave gaps, rub against the frame, or fail to latch properly. How to fix it? If the warping is mild, a professional can realign the door, adjust hinges, or reinforce the frame. Severe warping usually means the door has reached the end of its lifespan. Replacing it with a properly installed, weather-rated entry door can restore smooth operation and improve energy efficiency. Air leaks and poor energy efficiency. If you feel warm air entering around your door or notice higher cooling bills, your entry door may be leaking air. Cracked seals, worn weather stripping, or gaps in the frame allow hot Houston air to enter your home. How to fix it? Start by replacing old weather stripping and sealing gaps with caulk. If the door itself is thin or outdated, upgrading to an energy-efficient entry door with insulated cores and tight seals can significantly reduce heat transfer and help keep indoor temperatures comfortable. Moisture damage and rot. Houston's frequent rain and high humidity can lead to moisture damage, especially in wooden entry doors and frames. Signs include soft spots, peeling paint, bubbling finishes, or visible rot near the bottom of the door. How to fix it? Early moisture damage may be repaired by removing damaged material, applying wood filler, and resealing the surface. However, extensive rot usually requires door or frame replacement. Choosing moisture-resistant materials like fiberglass can help prevent future problems. Lock and hardware issues. High humidity can also affect door locks and hardware, causing them to stick, rust, or malfunction. A door that doesn't lock properly puts your home's security at risk. How to fix it? Cleaning and lubricating the lock may restore smooth operation. If corrosion or internal wear is present, replacing the lock set or upgrading to modern, weather-resistant hardware is often the safest option. Cracks, dents, and cosmetic wear. Over time, exposure to sun, storms, and daily use can leave entry doors looking worn or damaged. Cracks, dents, and faded finishes not only reduce curb appeal but can also weaken the door. How to fix it? Minor cosmetic issues may be repaired with filler, sanding, and repainting. For doors with structural damage, replacement is usually the best way to restore both appearance and performance. When to call a professional? While small fixes can be handled with basic maintenance, many entry door problems in Houston are best addressed by a professional. Proper installation, alignment, and material selection are key to ensuring your door withstands the local climate. A well-functioning entry door improves security, energy efficiency, and comfort, while enhancing the overall look of your home. Addressing problems early helps Houston homeowners avoid bigger repairs and enjoy a door that performs reliably year-round.